Department of Tourism Manipur government na sinduna chatharagliba Siroi Lili festival asi yaurunaba Manipur government na amadi DIPR team na thakiba journalist team amabu Manipur state transport bus ta chatpa yaroi Manipur haiba ward asi lathokadamani haibasi karamba thawongno haibadu bawal tabida tariba mahari jimena Manipur miyamda masigi mayek sengba wafam mayamda phongdokadabani haibasi Bangal Student Union Danamanjori University na thawong asibu strongly condemn tawi loinana masibu yaningdaba phongdoi makha tarapa thawdok khudingmakta Manipur gi journalist singna amadi media team singna Tatharapa Thabak Thong Kudingmakta Bangal Student Union Danamanjori University na solidarity oina lepkani amasung lepsu lepkhigani Manipur as a already state ama oiraba Manipur asida Manipur gi territorial integrity manungda changbada any chatpa matamda Manipur state thaba Manipur thaba si chatpa yaro haibasi karamba kari ground yawi haibasi India government na thatharagriba law enforcing agency amadi law and order control tawrugani haiduna laiba Gawal tabida taba mahari jimena public miyamda sigi matangda mayek sengna khangadamani masi kari karamba conspiracy leire kari hidden agenda leire habdu mayamgi pukningda wakhalda tatana toinana hana hanglaga laingai gi mathak sidasu amake hena hangingbagi pukningda question thokhali basi kari gino habdu miyamda singdo Manipur government nasu masigi mathakta akanba action lokhat pinaba ekoi public miyamdagi amadi Bangal Student Union Danamanjori University ki maikai dagi su wafam asi thamlakli haiba thong asibu oneba Manipur governor na action lokatuna miyam mamangda kari karanba hidden agenda lai habdu Manipur miyamda sengna khanghanbiu aduna tawata ragadi makha taba Manipur gi miyamna changchalakpa thabak thong khudingmakta ekoi Bangal Student Union Danamanjori University amadi lairiba Bangal society na matungda solidarity utpa oina changchanba thabak thong khudingmakta support tawjagani habasi koi miyam mamangda si thamjari